Is your productivity stopped because Microsoft Office can't find the Outlook-Addin.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Outlook-Addin, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Outlook-Addin, the Unified Messaging Outlook add-in. It provides unmanaged routines for voicemail and fax integration within Outlook, managing the data link for localized communication manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Umoutlookaddin is required by Microsoft Office to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of Microsoft Office ensures all required application DLLs are restored. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Outlook-Addin file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Replacing Outlook-Addin without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To help prevent productivity interruptions, the diagnostic tool below provides informational guidance on keeping Outlook-Addin synchronized. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Outlook-Addin, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.